Hello! In this video, we'll add a query for fetching data about the current user and add autologin if there is a token. Let's start with query. To do this, in the API directory, we will create a new user directory, in which we will create a file for the query hook. Let's call it useMeQuery. We do this by analogy as we did with mutations. Only here it will be easier. Also, do not forget about the type for the argument with options. We will pass the me key as the query key. For the generic type, we will pass the Axios response type, into which we will pass the user type. Let's add exports. And let's update the default function for queries in our client. Now let's go back to our provider and call this query hook. As a config, we will pass the enabled false property. With this property, we disable the automatic running of the request. And we need the refetch method. Let's move the token to a constant. If the token exists, then we need to execute the request, get the user data and save it to our state. Because this only needs to be handled once, when the component mounts, we can use the useEffect hook and pass it an empty array of dependencies. Let's add the code for all of this. Now, if the user was logged in, but reloaded the page or even opened the application in a new tab or after some time, then our system will automatically try to get data about the user. If the request was successful, we will log the user in. If it failed, the user will remain in unauthorized part. Let's check. First, let's log in as a user. Now you can reload the page like me. As you can see, after reloading the page, we automatically get to the authorized part. In the next part, we will add a main layout for the control panel, a loader for automatic login, and the ability to log out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like. See you in the next video.